Hey everyone, in this video we are going to explore one of the most important monetization tools, the Directorist Ads Manager Extension. If you are building a directory website and relying on a single revenue source, then you are doing it wrong. That's where advertising comes in. With Ad Manager, you can display different types of ads across your directory, including banners, Google AdSense, custom script, and tracking pixel, and turn your traffic into revenue. So in this video, I'll show you how to install, configure, and place ads across your directory step by step. First, let's install the Ads Manager extension. Go to Directories, then Theme and Extension in your WordPress dashboard. Find the extension called Directorist Ads Manager and click Install. After installation, go to the Install tab, select the plugin and click Activate. Once activated, you will see a new ads menu inside your directory sidebar. Before creating ads, you need to enable the feature. Navigate to Directories, then Settings. Open the Extension section and click Extension General. Now enable the Ads Manager toggle and click Save Changes. Once enabled, you will ready to start creating advertisement. Now let's create your first ad. Go to Directories, then Ads, and click Add New Ad. You will see multiple ad types available like image ads for banner promotion, Google AdSense for automated ad, Facebook Pixel for tracking and retargeting, and custom HTML or JS for embedding scripts or third-party widgets. This flexibility allows you to integrate ads from multiple platforms into your directory. Let's start with a simple image ad. Select image as the ad type and upload your banner. Then enter the target URL the page user will be redirected to after clicking the ad. You can also configure SEO link attributes such as sponsored, UGC, do follow or no follow. Next, choose whether the link should open in a new tab or in the same tab. If you want to display AdSense ads, select Google AdSense. Copy your AdSense script from your account and paste it into the code field. This allows you to display dynamic automated Google ads. If you want to display Facebook ads, select Facebook or Meta Pixel. Copy your pixel code from your account and paste it into the code field. The Ads Manager extension will place that code in the selected ad location. By adding the pixel in directories, visitor data is sent to Facebook or Meta, which is then used to run targeted ads, not within directories itself. Dynamic or automated behavior depends on your Meta campaign setup, not just Ads Manager. To display ads using custom HTML or JS, choose the custom HTML or JS option. Copy the code from your account and paste it into the provided code field. Then specify the target URL the page user will be taken to when they click the ad. You can also set SEO related link attributes such as sponsored, UGC, do follow or no follow. After that, decide whether the link should open in a new tab or the current one. This setup enables dynamic automated ads powered by your custom HTML or JS code. Next, select the locations where your ads will be shown. You can place them on various directory pages such as all listings, single listing, categories, and locations, the ad listing page, dashboard, search result, and more. This lets you position ads in high traffic section of your directory for better visibility. Directories gives you precise control over ad placement. For instance, on listing archive pages, you can position ads before the header, around the filters, before or after pagination, or after the footer. Category, location, and search pages also come with their own placement options, letting you place ads exactly where you want, no code required. Then you can change the width and height from the before header, after footer, ad size section. You also get additional control options. You can choose to show ads only to locked-in users, set an expiry duration for your ads, or make them never expire. And after expiration, you can decide whether to keep the ad visible or replace it with contact information. Once everything is configured, click Publish. Your ad will now appear on the selected pages and position across your directory. Directories also generate a shortcode for every ad. You can place this shortcode anywhere, including pages, posts, widgets, or Elementor sections. If needed, you can also use the PHP version to display ads inside theme files. This gives you full flexibility to control ad placement beyond default settings. And that's how you use the Directorist Ad Manager extension. This is one of the easiest ways to monetize your directory by leveraging your existing traffic. You can combine banner ad, AdSense, and tracking script to create multiple revenue streams, all without touching your theme code. In the next lecture, we'll continue exploring more monetization features to help you turn your directory into a complete business system. I'll see you in the next one.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.